Hi students, welcome to Math4U. In this session, we will be discussing how to find out the highest common factor of two or three numbers. That means the HCF, right? So let's see how can we find out the HCF of two numbers first. So I'm going to give you this with an example. So let us find out the HCF of two numbers, that is 12 and 18. In the last session of LCM, we have seen we have to do the prime factorization. I'm doing this with prime factorization method. So 12 we are going to do with prime factorization, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 ones, right? So 12, the factors of 12 are 2, 2, 3, 1. Now we are going to do with 18. So 18, it will go in 2 times 9, then 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so 18, you will get 2, 3, 3, 1. So now, how can we find out HCF of 12 and 18 from these factors? So the factors contains which all numbers? We can say it contains 2, 3, 1, right? So how can we find out? Let us see maximum number common to both 12 and 18. So 2 we are taking. In 12 we have two number of 2's and in 18 we have only 1. So which is a maximum common? Maximum common we can see here only 1, 2, right? From that you have to take that 1, 2. Okay. Now let us check for 3. 3 we have only 1 in 12 and 2 3's in 18. So 1 3 is only common here. So into 3 into 1, that is equal to 6. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay, so let us see some more examples on HCF. So let us find out the HCF of 15 and 20. Okay, as I have told you, we have to first find out the prime factorization method and we have to do with that, right? So 15 threes are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what are the factors of 15? We got 3, 5 and 1. Let us go ahead with 20. 22s are 10, 2s are 5, then 5 ones are 5, right? So we got 20 as 2, 2, 5 and 1. Okay, so these are the factors now. Now let us see HCF of 15 and 20 now. So as we have discussed in the previous, we have to check which all numbers are there in the two numbers 15 and 20. So the factors in these two, 15 and 20. So we have 3, 2 and 5. 1 is always there, right? So let us check for 3. Is there 3 in both 15 and 20? Is that common? No. So we can't take this 3. Then 2. Is there 2 common in both? There is no 2 in 15. So we can't take that also. So now we are looking for 5. So 5 is common and it occurred only once in that both, right? So the HCF of 15 is 5. 5 into 1, that is 5. So next example I'm going to give you. Let us find out HCF of two numbers 102 and 34. Okay, so same procedure we are going ahead with the prime factorization method. 2 times 51 you will get 102. So now 2 will not go with this, so I am taking 3. 3 into 17 is 51. 17 ones are 17. So the factors of 102 are 2, 3, 17 and 1. Okay, so now let us go ahead with 34. So 34, how can we do the factorization? Yes, 2 times 1's 14, 17. Now we have to go with 17 ones are 17, right? Yes. So now the factors of 34 are 2 and 17. And you can write 1 also. So what will be the HCF? HCF of 102 and 34 will be, which all numbers are common here? Highest, the factors, the numbers are 2, 3 and 70, right? These are the factors. And is there 2 common? Yes, only one's highest common is 2 multiplied. Is there 3 common? No. 17, yes, 17 is also common in both. So we are taking that one, 17 and 1. What will be the answer? 34, right? So this is how we can find out the HCF of two numbers. As a conclusion, let us find out the HCF of three numbers. So now let us see HCF of three numbers, that is 12, 15 and 20. Okay. As we have done for the previous cases, we are going to do the prime factorization of these three numbers. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s, right? So the factors of 12 are 2, 2, 3, 1, right? Now let us do for 15. We have done it in the previous example. So it will be very useful and helpful for you to repeat. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s, right? So 15, the factors are 3, 5, 1. So now let us do for 20. 22 times this also we have done. 2 times 5, 5 into 1, right? So we have the factors of 20 as 20, 2, 2, 5 and 1. So therefore, which all numbers present here now in the factors? 2, 3, 5, 1, right? So let us write down the HCF of these three numbers. Therefore, the HCF of 12, 15 and 20, let us find out. So first, I'm going to take here 2 and check whether the 2 is present in all the three. Previous cases, we took 2 numbers, so need to check for that only. So now we have to check for all the 3 numbers. So here 2, we can see that there is no 2 in 5, right? So we can't take that. What about 3? 3 is not there in 20 now. So can we take any of these 2 or 3 or 5? 5 is not there in 12. We can't take that. So what will be the HCF? 1, because 1 is only common in all these 3 and we can take the 1, right? So the HCF of 12, 15 and 20 is 1. I hope this is very clear for you. Thank you.